Hi, friends. Welcome to my personal mastery session on living with nature. Nature, as it means, is the natural environment, and surprisingly, also that characterizes every living individual. The meaning is clear. Nature is in us, and we are part of nature. All the natural phenomena, planets, the entire realm of living beings, and the forces those exist in the universe govern our planet and our lives. In the evolution of man's life on earth, many phenomena of nature were considered sacred and hence worshipped. In India, wind energy is called Vayu Devata, sea is Samudra Dev, and fire is Agni Dev. What did this mean? It just meant that nature must be respected like God. That was perhaps the underlying philosophy of coexisting with nature. I will give you some examples of how wonderful and powerful nature is. Have you ever wondered why the sky is so blue? It is because blue light is scattered more by the gases in the atmosphere, giving it a blue color. Have you ever thought why there is a phenomenon called the northern lights in the Nordic countries? Also called polar lights and auroras, it happens because of the disturbances in the magnetosphere caused by solar winds. Have you ever imagined the force of wind energy carried by tornadoes or twisters or hurricanes? According to National Geographic, tornadoes are vertical funnels of rapidly spinning air. Their winds may top 250 miles an hour and can clear a pathway a mile wide and 50 miles long. Have you ever known how much distinctive flora and fauna is available in the Amazon rainforests? Encyclopedia Britannica says the Amazon rainforest is the world's richest and most varied biological reservoir, containing several million species of insects, plants, birds, and other forms of life, many still unrecorded by science. The luxuriant vegetation encompasses a wide variety of trees, including many species of myrtle, laurel, palm, and acacia, as well as rosewood, Brazil nut, and rubber tree too. Excellent timber is furnished by the mahogany and the Amazonian cedar. Major wildlife includes jaguar, manatee, tapir, red deer, capybara, and many other types of rodents and several types of monkeys. Have you ever considered how ecosystems work? In the ecosystems, living organisms interact with every other element in the local environment. Examples are Loch Lomond in Scotland, where the fish community has remained unchanged for a very long period of time. The lush Aravalli mountains in the middle of Rajasthan, the desert of India, and the European beech forest in Montenegro. The world is full of them. But what are we doing to nature? That is the question. A 2020 study published in Nature found that anthropogenic mass, which is human-made materials, outweighs all living biomass on Earth, with plastic alone exceeding the mass of all land and marine animals combined. And according to a 2021 study published in Frontiers in Forests and Global Change, only about 3% of the planet's terrestrial surface is ecologically and faunally intact, with a low human footprint and healthy populations of native animal species. When our forefathers learned the art of living with nature, why have we become the most deadly threat to nature? I shall recite William Wordsworth's poem, My Heart Leaps Up, to inspire the new generation to love, protect, and live with nature. My heart leaps up when I behold a rainbow in the sky. So was it when my life began, so is it now I am a man. So be it when I shall grow old, or let me die. The child is the father of the man, and I could wish my days to be bound each to each by natural piety. Love nature, live with nature. You are nature. Thank you.